Yang berlaku saat lalu dan depan. Kadang itu dari awal. The first delivery of the first quarter. Oh, point easily head by this. Fazl hot, then goes a play. Fazl having the one as well. Killer! What a magnificent 50 scored by this young cricket. को आगे ले जाते. Yeah, Delta shot. What a magnificent, a glorious shot. Wow, what a magnificent partnership between these two. Oh, what a magnificent shot. What a header, the fielder, was it? He's ready to face the last delivery of the Osman Wari as well. He is ready to punch the ball as well.